This will be the first video I'm actually shooting on my brand new camera here. Go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about here. So this is what I'm shooting on right now. This is now the new camera. This is now being shot in 4K. We've got the camera thing settled. It's good. But the hard drive, on the other hand, is taking a little longer. This is what I bought. This is a 4 terabyte WD black. Now let me show you guys why I bought this. So I'm trying to move my stuff from my last hard drive onto my SSD right now. It is now 3:44 in the morning. But yeah, it is now 3:44 in the morning. I got home today and I started that about 8 p.m., 9 p.m. maybe, something like that. And it has only gotten to 21%. I was hoping to install that today. I was hoping to install that hard drive today, but it's getting late. I'm gonna try to get an early start tomorrow and hopefully install it then if it's finished transferring all its data to my SSD. But yeah, I'm gonna head to bed. Keep you guys updated tomorrow. Take you guys on my first vlog style of video. See you guys then. What's up? Yeah, slept longer than I thought I was supposed to, but check this out. 24%, and it's 10:20. What do I do? I'm gonna leave this running throughout the day. Hopefully I come back and can fix it. So till then, you guys are on halt.
Oh baby,
Alright, so we just went on a little break here. Arod is about halfway done with the haircut. We had a little food break, a little drink break, trying to keep you guys updated on what's going on now. He's finishing up the second half of the haircut now, and he's gonna start talking about products, about elegance, and what he can offer. So keep you guys updated again. We'll be back.
For another cake. 96142.
Ooh, here.
Another one. 9.
Hey!
Alright. There you go. Hey, right now, hey, you on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
What up, people? Hey, this is Arod23pr. He just won a cake, a raffle right here at the Armstrong McCloud competition.
What up, guys? So we now finished the class. Oli, what did you think?
Hey man, you know, it was very, very interesting. You know, I got a lot of good, interesting facts from it, from one of the greatest minds in barbering, along with, you know, the business savvy of it, CEO elegance. You know, couldn't ask for more.
Yeah, he offered a lot. He taught us a lot of things, talked about how he got where he was at, drew some inspiration from that, and actually won a few things. Yeah, I did. Yeah. Got me a where is this? A signed cape. I don't know if you can see it right there, but a signed barber cape. We'll be using this. But yeah, great class. So we're on our way back to the shop now, and I got some cutting to do. All right, so made it back to the barber shop, but I'm here to cut hair. But I forgot one important thing. I left my tripod at the house. Need to go ahead and pick up my tripod, and then I'll be right back. Little update. I'm on my way home, getting my tripod, preparing myself for this cut I'm about to do. But before that, while I'm in the car, I might as well introduce you guys to who my my client is. You'll get a little bit more of him later, but a little backstory on how we met. So he's been my good buddy since 7th grade. This was year 2009, maybe. And this is even before I started cutting hair. So yeah, he's given me 100% freedom, 100% whatever I want to do. He's giving me no limitations, whatever I want to do, you know, just drop some creativity on him. So I'm really excited to do this one. I'm really hoping it's gonna come out dope, but I got some good ideas planned for this haircut. So go ahead and see what we can turn this into. So we're home. Got stuck in traffic. Holy goodness, took forever. Tripod, lighting, backpack. It's a lot, but we're on the way, Nick. What's up, dude?
Yo.
Hey. Hey, what do you think about a mohawk?
Because I got like 4 of them in here.
Oh, shit.
Yeah,
And,
with like texture on top.
Hey, get you one of those bars. Get up.
So 100% absolute freedom. Cause I'm about to like pop off, Nick. Pop off? Like design and everything.
Whatever you want, bro.
Ooh. going on, you guys? I appreciate you guys for making it this far into the video. It really means a lot. I hope whatever you're watching this video for, it served its purpose. I really hope you might have learned just how to do a design or enjoyed just watching me throughout one of my days. I really enjoyed this style of video, and I do see myself doing a bunch more of these, but I want to know what you guys think about it. So leave a comment in the comment section about what you guys thought of this style of video, whether you liked it, whether you didn't. If you did like it, what you did enjoy, and if you didn't like it, what you didn't enjoy. But other than that, I found this really enjoyable, and I really hope to do a lot more of these in the future. I do have some planned, but I'm kind of just going along with it, kind of just going with the flow, seeing what happens. But I hope you guys really like this video. I appreciate you guys for making it this far into the video. But yeah, I'll be back with the next one. If you liked the video, leave a like. You want to talk to me about something, especially what you think about this video, leave a comment below and subscribe. Got more headed your way.